Hi, my name is Rudolph Scott. I live in San Antonio, Texas. My phone number is 678-662-3464. My email is rscott20518 at AOL.com. I live in San Antonio, Texas, and one of my favorite things to do is camp. I love camping for the fishing, for the scenery, seeing the mountains, the open lakes, the fresh air, and especially meeting other people. I started camping when I was a young guy in the Air Force and I was stationed out in Utah. One of my goals was to go to Yellowstone and Yosemite Park. However, I have not made it there yet. I just purchased an RV and that is on my bucket list. Thank you and have a great day.